always calm. Try to keep myself calm, no matter the situation. There's no secret to passing any problem though. I was telling my friend the other day, make sure you're doing what's right, follow your trading plan, and you get funded. That's it.
Good morning. Is it Ibukun? Is that right?
Ibukun, yeah.
Ibukun, sorry. Ibukun. Hi, Simon. Pleased to meet you. Maybe you could just introduce yourself to the community. Tell us a bit about yourself, how long you've been trading, where you're living, that kind of thing.
All right. My name is Ibukun Omojola. I'm a student from Lagos, Nigeria, currently studying computer engineering. I started my trading career officially last year, January. And I think that's all.
Okay, all right. So what do you say you've been trading for what? Maybe 12 months?
Yeah, 12 months. Yeah, 12 months, 3 months. 12, 15 months.
Okay, so what have you been trading mainly?
Just gold.
Just gold?
Yeah.
It's a favorite of a lot of people. I guess for the volatility, huh?
Yeah, that's why I love it.
Yeah, okay. So what do you trade it in New York, London?
I have last night trade session. As long as I see my setup, as long as I see what I'm going for, I trade. It doesn't matter the time, the trading session at all. Asian, Sydney, I trade London, I trade New York. But mostly London and New York.
Yeah, okay, makes sense. All right. So you're a day trader, yeah?
Yeah, I'm a day trader.
Okay. All right. So what's the strategy you're using? Is it smart money?
Nah, I don't know if it's common. It's an FRR zone, frequency and recency.
Say that again?
FRR, frequency and recency. I really don't know if it's common. I don't think I've heard anybody saying it. It's just the person that taught me. So it's just mainly support and demand.
Yeah.
Mostly support and demand. Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Maybe you could tell us a bit about it. Maybe share a screen, show us a setup. Is that possible?
All right. I can do that.
You can see gold on the 1 hour.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So basically, what I do is just mark the highs and the lows. So you start on the 4-hour time frame. Mark the recent high and the recent low. So we are ready. This is the recent low. This is the high.
So what's that you're marking out there? Sorry, say that again.
So what?
What's that you're marking out?
The recent low and the recent high.
Okay, just a recent low. Okay.
Yeah. So it's basically simple stuff. So right now, as you can see, price has not broken out of this zone. So we wait for price. We go on the 1 hour time frame. Sorry. Wait for confirmation. As it has not broken out of that 4 hours, we wait for it to break out. If it doesn't break out, we know we're going to buy to this zone. That's just how it works. Basically. So now I'll look for a confirmation for me to get in here on my next stop over here. That's all.
Yeah.
Very, very simple though.
Okay. So basically a failed breakout below that swing low.
Exactly.
And then you'll look to trade it back up into the range. Sure. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
And you trade that on the 4 and the 1 hour? I
tell my analysis from the daily. Daily, then I go down to the 4 hours, and I go down to the 1 hour. Then 15 minutes. 15 is my entry time frame.
15 is for entry, sure. Okay. And you're looking for anything particular on a 15 or just similar fractals?
Similar factors.
Yeah. Just the same thing over and over again. Rinse and repeat. Yeah. Okay.
Basically.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. So what is the expectations for the trade? I mean, you said you're gonna target that level. Are you looking at a particular risk reward? Is there a optimal risk reward you're looking for here?
Yeah, my risk reward for any trade at least has to be 1 to 3. If it's not 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, I don't take the trade.
1 to 3. Okay. Yeah, makes sense.
At least 1 to 3.
At least. Yeah. And what percent of your account are you risking per trade?
Oh, I risk of 3% per day or so.
3% a day, did you say?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a big risk. Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of risks.
Is that per trade or per day, did you say?
Per day.
Per day. Okay.
So when I'm done with 3% per day, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So what do you risk per trade?
It depends on the account size. So per trade, most of the time, my setup is I see an A plus setup, I go all in. But if I'm not really, probably 80%, 70%, I risk probably 1.5.
Yeah.
And if it goes against me, I generally risk another 1.5, and if it's gone, we're done for the day.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. So once you've made your percent, you just leave, close it down.
Yeah.
Walk away.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, of course. Okay. So is this the first strategy? I mean, I take it you've back tested this, or have you been through a number of strategies? Is this how long did it take you to find this particular successful one?
All right. So for this year, I started trading gold last year, March or April. Yeah. But I started with GBPUSD. So the strategy I was using for GBPUSD was what I was using for gold, but it wasn't really working for me. Not until last year, September. September last year, I got to find out about the strategy, and since then, the new strategy I've been using. I just have two strategies. The one I use for GBPUSD and the one I use for gold. But I don't trade GBPUSD anymore. I trade gold now. So it's just one strategy though. One strategy.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, cable can be a little bit strange, can't it? It's one of those pairs which, tends to do its own thing. Best left alone, in my opinion. But okay. Okay. Interesting. How do you find trading gold with FundedNext? You happy with the spreads?
Yeah. All I just do is, since I know the spread is about 2 pips, so if I'm adding myself, I just put 2 pips to myself. That's it. Simple. Spread is okay. Even during the news, I've noticed it doesn't go past 2 pips, so it's cool.
Yeah,
it's
nice.
nice.
That's a good tight spread. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Any suggestions to FundedNext, how they could improve? Anything? Happy with the dashboard? Happy with the payouts?
Really, I'm happy with everything. So before I started using FundedNext, I think I started using FundedNext this year. I think in January or February. Yeah, this year. There was this pro firm, I'm not going to mention the name. A friend of mine, he made some profit and started coming up with some excuses not to pay out, blah blah. So we came up with the strategy that instead of using prop firms, we just deposit our money and start trading, but that didn't really work well for us. Little risks, little reward, and it was not really working well. So we did an extensive research on prop firms. Yeah. To know the one we use. So I came up with this. When we went to FundedNext, we saw everything is good. No payouts complaint till today. That's one of the best things I've seen looking out from you guys. I've not seen any payouts complaint from you guys. The only complaint I see probably slippage and stuff, but I've not experienced it yet, so it's okay for me. But the 80%, the add-ons you guys had, your customer support, There was time having to use my account, and I was like, I need to reach out to these guys. I sent a message. I was thinking probably take an hour or two, but on that, I think 10 minutes, I got a reply. I was like, whoa! I didn't even check. Until 30 minutes later, I saw that you guys have replied me 10 minutes ago. I was like, wow, this is a very, very nice support. And everything else good with FundedNext right now.
Good.
It's good for me.
So happy with the payout speed, right? Good. Is it possible to share your FundedNext dashboard? Can we see some statistics? Okay, let's take a look at the stats. So win rate 23, loss 76, but your risk reward is
1 to 1.3.
1 to 1. Okay, so
this was pretty low.
Yeah.
This was not a good thing for me right then. I was psychologically I was not there during this when I was trading this account, was fucked. I was event trading, increasing my lot size. I was just fucked psychologically. So it's not really best for me.
Okay. So is this account breached, or are you still in this evaluation?
No, this is breached already.
Oh, okay. Okay. So have you got a new account, or are you still in the process of setting that up?
I'm in the process of setting them up. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. All right.
Yeah.
So what do you think your problem was with this? You think you may be oversized, over position sized?
First off, during this account, I think I had 5 losing trades in a row. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem.
So this is what we go through in Nigeria.
Yeah, you got a few power issues every now and again. That must make it difficult. What happens when you're in a trade and you lose power?
Oh, that's why I have my gen on standby.
Yeah.
My generator. Just turn it on and
Yeah. So how your internet was still stable? So you've got obviously some kind of battery backup on that, have you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, we were just discussing your account, and you think your issue was over positioning, yeah, oversized.
Well, yeah. Okay. So as I was saying, before I lost this trade, I think I had about 4 losing trades in a row, and it really affected me psychologically. So I was already in drawdown. I was trying my best to get back to balance, get back to break even, and make profit and stuff. So over leveraging, and I started event trading, and it got the best part of me, and that was why I lost this account. So it was really bad.
The usual problems. So what have you learned from that?
Always calm. Try to keep myself calm, no matter the situation. Since then, anytime I lost my trade, anytime I lose my 3%, I just close my chat, close my phone, probably go do something else that is not trading related.
Exactly. Yeah.
I just keep myself busy, or else I just start thinking about the trade. Let me check trading view. Let me see. Oh, I'm seeing this. I'm doing this. No, there's nothing there. So I just leave. I leave them.
Yeah. That's the best lesson learned. As long as you learn something from this breach, then that doesn't really matter. So walk away. Okay. You can stop sharing if you wish. Right. That's fine. Thanks. Any other suggestions or helpful ideas you could pass on to traders who are struggling to get funded?
I would just say, keep going. That was just it. Keep going. Make sure you're doing the right thing. Some people believe if you keep showing up every day, you're going to work. But you keep showing up every day, it's going to work. But if you keep showing up doing the wrong thing, no, there's no way it's going to work. So just keep showing and make sure you're doing the right thing, and that's all. You're going to get funded and get payouts. It's as easy as that. There's no secret to passing any problem though. I was telling my friend the other day, I saw this YouTube video. I have the secret to pass a problem. There's no secret to pass a problem. Right now, you just come in, make sure you're doing what's right, follow your trading plan, and you get funded. That's it.
Yeah, good advice. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for taking the time to do the interview. Good luck with the next funded account, and speak to you again.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
See you. And you, sir. Bye.